Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. My name is Christina binti Ahmad Fizal. My ID number D201920915554, and I'm from ISMB Reka Cipta. I'm making this video for VDT3023, which is manufacturing technology, which requires me to make road mixer using two process. But I already choose two process, which is sand casting and also plaster mold casting. But before that, I'm gonna share with you some information regarding sand casting and also plaster mold casting. First, you need to knead the plasticine according to the size of the mold you want. Next, you need to assemble the cardboard using the size of the plasticine. Place the plasticine inside the cardboard. Please ensure that the plasticine fits nicely with the cardboard to avoid leakage when you pour the plaster of Paris mixture into it. Place your product on the plasticine. Tap the product using needle to ensure that it won't come out or move during the process. Form a plasticine resembling a tube at the top of the cardboard to produce a channel for inserting the plaster of Paris mixture later. Place the plasticine at the four corners of the cardboard to ensure the cardboard won't move during the process. Mix the plaster of Paris powder with water to turn it into mixture. You need to mix it quickly as the mixture will harden quickly. Spread some oil onto the surface of the product using a brush. The oil will avoid the mixture stick to the product. Pour the plaster of Paris mixture on the product. You need to flatten the mixture to get the perfect mold. Let the mold dry for about 30 minutes and place it at a place that gets enough sun exposure. Remove the plasticine at all four corners of the cardboard. Detach the mold from cardboard carefully. Turn the mold upside down and remove the plasticine. Clean the mold using sandpaper to have a perfect surface, but don't rub it too harsh because it will damage the mold. Put the cardboard bag around the mold and secure it with plasticine at the four corners of the cardboard to avoid leakage. Spread some oil onto the surface of the product using a brush. Pour the plaster of Paris mixture onto the product and let it dry for 30 minutes. Detach the cardboard from mold carefully. Detach the two parts of the mold carefully and remove the wooden ladle. Smooth the surface of the mold using a sandpaper. Spread some oil onto the surface of the both molds using a brush. The oil will avoid the mixture stick to the mold. Combine the two molds and pour the plaster of Paris mixture to the hole and let it dry. Place the sand into the container. The sand needs to be safe to ensure the smoothness of the mold. Press the surface of the sand to ensure it occupies all sides of the container. Place the wood ladle and tap it using hammer to ensure the pattern of the ladle will come out nicely. Sieve the sand again. Remove the ladle from the sand. Pour the plaster of Paris mixture inside the pattern and let it dry for 30 minutes. Remove the product from the sand carefully. Clean the product using sandpaper to have a smooth surface. Sand casting is one of the casting process that widely used in manufacturing industries. Sand casting is the process of pouring molten metal into a cavity-shaped sand mold and allowing it to solidify. Sand particles are kept together by an inorganic binding agent in the mold. The sand mold is split apart to extract the casting once the metal has cooled to room temperature. Sand casting is an extremely flexible method that can create complicated castings in a variety of aluminium alloys. For this assessment, since I lack of equipment for the procedure due to MCO, I only show you the basic procedure of sand casting. Plaster mold casting, also known as plaster casting, involves making a mold out of plaster of Paris and water. It is not pure plaster of Paris that has been utilized. Rather, it has additives that boost green strength, dry strength, permeability, and castability. These molds are also low cost, quick to make, reusable, more precise than steel molds, and simple to alter. Thank you for watching my video. I really hope that you already understand what is the difference between sand casting and also plaster mold casting. So thank you everyone. Stay safe and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.